example. Okay, and then some example I have to show you like that. Some examples action like stretching a rubber band. Okay, rubber band, stretching a rubber band, pulling a rickshaw, rowing a boat. Some example more if you want example like a picking, squeezing, twisting, stretching, lowering, and lifting. Okay, causes change in the state of an object also. This example is okay, the change in the state of an object. Okay, identify the pulling or forcing. You have to see here. Okay, see here. Example, what is that here? They are okay. Digging borewell means pulling or pushing, pulling. Okay, and sipping juice with a straw. Sipping juice means pulling. Okay, inside the mouth, and then erasing blackboard with duster. Okay, erasing blackboard. See here, blackboard with duster. What is that? Pushing. And a magnetic attraction nail. That is a pulling, attraction. And fruits fall from tree. That is what? Okay, pushing. And then why? Because pushing attract the gravitation having that is very well hosting a flag. That is pulling. Okay. Some example pulling or pushing on both also. Okay. Right? You are in for some clear? Right now. And then type of force I'm going to explain you. Right? So what is that? Gravitational force. Okay. Types of force. Types of force. What is that? Types of force. Contact force. Okay. What is that? And a force at a distance means we can say that it is also field force. Field force. And another one is what? Magnetic force. Okay. Force at, okay. That is a magnetic force. Or we can say gravitational force. First one is magnetic force and contact force. Then what is the coming? Magnetic force. Magnetic force. And another one is having electrostatic force. Electrostatic force, and then coming to fourth one, gravitational force. Gravitational force, okay, gravitational force and normal force, okay. Coming to fifth, what is the normal force, okay, and coming to next, net force. What is that? Net force. Okay, net force. Any more we have to see. Okay. Okay, some having that is up to 6. This type of force. Okay. Episode here. First to contact force. Okay. I'm going to explain you contact force. Some example also I'm going to explain you. Okay. Contact force or force at a distance. Okay. Force at a distance. You know that is what is that force? What is that force? Which results when there is a direct player contact between two interacting object is called known as contact force. Okay, clearly I'm explaining about the contact force. What is that? Force which results. What is that? Force which result based on contact or non-contact between two objects. What is that? Simple we can say. Okay, that is contact force is what? Force